What's up friends, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to create Emirates Skyward account. So friends, open Google on your device, search for Emirates Skyward account, and then click on the first result as you can see here. After that guys, all you have to do, click join now, this option. From here write your email address, make sure write a good email user for your user. And then when you make your email here, for example, I want to write my email here, write your title and write your first name friends. After that write your password. After write your password friends, complete all these steps. You can see here your birthday date, your countries, choose your countries and preferred language, English for example, and then enter your invite code if you have a code, and click sign up to receive emails, and sign up to receive flight Dubai, and click create account. And then you should be right per your birthday here, and after that choose year and just wait friends and click create account. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content. After that complete steps, after these steps you will see all this page loading here, and write your digital card if you have a card guys here. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon.